Hey fam, hi, welcome back. Oh, today we are going to detox out of all those parasites in our tummies. Yeah, this is watercress. It's already chopped up. And watercress is excellent for detoxing. It's full of vitamin K, A, C, potassium, calcium, beta carotene, magnesium. Um, it is a great detoxer. Here goes the celery, which is excellent for fat burning. Here is about 6 prunes and about 6 dates. And this is ginger. Now the prunes and the dates provide a lot of fiber, and the ginger, it gives you a burning effect. Yeah. So this blender, we had to fight with the blender. And here's lemon juice. It's excellent for fat burning and getting out toxins. And here's a half a cup of water. So, watercress is excellent. If you want to get rid of all those toxins, and toxins has a bad effect on our skin. It causes a lot of acne, a lot of rashes. This works for me. This really works. It's excellent. And the combination here is just the best of the best when it comes to taking out toxins out of your colon. Also, watercress lowers cancer. It helps you to prevent it. And I see why. It's because it gets rid of all of those worms and things that love to stick on your colon. Yeah. So, wow, this is great. The blender is moving. It's like the train that yes, those toxins are going to say bye bye. Oh, they're going to run. They are going to run. We don't have time or space for you, toxins. So, yeah. So, you could do this twice a week or once a week. Whatever you could tolerate. Yeah, this is a champion mix here. You're gonna love it. You are going to love it. They are gonna run. Just give it to them. Just give it to those toxins. Once to twice a week. Bye bye.